Hello friends, welcome to yet another Flutter build. In this build we are going to build a very simple Flutter app known as EasyRead. So EasyRead, this type of apps are very useful to show some large text on the phone. So why this type of apps are useful? Suppose you're on the other side of a road and you want to show someone some text, so the big text on your phone. So you can take out your phone and write that text and show to the person on the other side of the street, or there is someone who have some hearing problem, so you can write that thing on the app and you can show it to him. So this is very useful for that. So let's get started. And I have my terminal opened and I have my phone connected. As you all might know, I generally connect my phone to my desktop and then I create on it instead of an emulator, because emulators are generally slow. So let us do that. Let us first create an app. I generally create by this command flutter create easy read. So I'm in a folder, so it will create my Flutter a new version. Okay, it's okay. It doesn't take much time to create a Flutter app. It is not like the React app which generally takes 5 minutes. So I can do this. So easy read, I will open it with the code, and this is just the use of my terminal. I don't use terminal anything more in a Flutter app. So no, I don't want it complete, because what I want my phone to be on the side. Okay, so it is okay. So this is what we got, and it will increase the font size. Yeah, so this is okay. And let me close it, and then I will remove everything. So this is how we should generally work. There is a lot of boilerplate code which comes, and then I will do a stf. Why it is coming like this? Stf. So stateful. So I want a stateful, not a stateless, and I will give it my app, the same name I am giving it here, so that it can be created. Okay, so everything else is gone. So I will do a material app, and then we will use a scaffold, which is the one of the main tool in Flutter. Means it has got everything from your bar to everything it has got. So I will do that. Home scaffold, and I don't want an app bar right now. We don't have app bar in this app. And then body is text, not text, it's a text field, because we want to type in it. Okay, so it's a text field, and then text input action is text input action dot done. Style is text style, and this is the main thing, because the font will be pretty huge. So font size is 40, and max lines is null. It is required so that there are no max lines. You can type any. So let me save it, and now we will start it. Yeah, now this thing takes a bit of time, so let me pause the video for that time. Now our app is running. So this is the app. Okay, let me take this OBS a bit down. Okay, so this is our text field. Let me click on it. Actually, let me close it. So if you can see, I can write big text on it, but there is a lot of things which needed to be done in the app yet. So I want to have a slider. The slider, by that you can increase the font size so that the user can do anything, means he can increase or decrease the font size. So let us do that. And for that, the text field, I want something in slider below it. So the best way to do it is to have it in a column. So the text field will be in a column so that we can have some other field below it. So if you want to know more about columns, you can check out my old videos in this Flutter series in which I explain everything. Okay, so the way to do it here through Visual Studio Code is very easy and in a very good way, or else a Flutter you will be confused with these brackets and all. So I click on the text field, I will get this yellow bulb. I will go here, I'll click on it, and I'll do wrap with column. And when I'll do wrap with column, it will create this children array which will contain this text field. Now text field is done. So this, as I told, this font size, it will be, the user will be able to choose this font size, not us, means he or she will be able to increase the font size or decrease the font size. So let us do that. So let me come here and have a double font size. I give an underscore, so it's a private variable. This is the way we make private variables in Flutter. Font size, and this is font size, and then after that, this is the children for my column. So the next field will be here, so it will be a slider. So Flutter have everything, slider also it have got. Okay, so let me bring it down, value is this, and the initial I have kept it as 40 so that it is large enough from the starting only. Okay, font size I have given, then min is 30, max is 200. Okay, and this on change is there, it will contain a function, but it is a small function, we would have done it outside, but we are doing it here only. So new size, set state. Yeah, set state is required because whenever we change the state, it should reflect it. The whole thing should re-render, just like in React, it should re-render. So this set state is method is almost exactly similar to React. Means what we want to do, whenever we change the font size, this text field also should render, or else the font size will not change. So that's why we put everything inside the set state. Okay, so this set state, it gave me like this, but again here there is another React concept here. We can use the functions like this with fat arrow. We can use it like this, font size equal to new size, save it, and we have this thing here, slider. Let me write, okay, it will work from here, but I can type from my desktop tablet. This is a cool app which shows big text. Okay, so like this. Now moment of truth, see, I can make it big, but there is one issue. See this issue, bottom overflow by 15 pixels. So this is a cool feature again in Flutter. If we have an overflow in our app, Flutter tells us, yeah, there is an overflow because this keyboard is overlapping with this, and we'll get an error here also and a error here also. So we we need to fix this error, or else we will have a very bad user experience. And as you might have seen that it is cutting here also on an Android phone, it is touching the edges here, so we have to fix that also. So let us fix that. So for that we will first wrap our text field with an expanded widget. So what is an expanded widget? That makes sure the text field is as big and as it can get, and uh, as big as it can get, and whenever there is more text, it will continue to scroll. But there is another thing which is more important than the expanded widget, which is known as safe area view. So safe area widget is like that. In iPhone there is a notch or something, it is there. And Android phones also there is something is there. In the newer phones, this notch for the camera and all. So it should not come in that area or app. Even if it doesn't have an app bar, we don't have app bar here. App bar are the things which have been shown here, so it should not touch that thing. So that's why we need safe area for that. So first we will do an expanded widget, so that we can make sure the text is as big as it can get, and whenever we have more text we can scroll easily. So right now we cannot scroll it easily, so for that we will do expanded. And again, it is very easy in Visual Studio Code to do this. We just have to use our friendly yellow bulb here, and so let us do that. And for that, first this text field is there, I will click on the text field, and then this expanded, this I will do. And then there is nothing like the expanded, so wrap it center and all this there. So I will do wrap it widget, and then I will do expanded. Okay, so like this. So all the brackets and all these things are taken care by this. So see this expanded, it did like this. Okay, so now the next thing which I am going to do, let me save this much and see if hot reloading is occurring. Okay, and see, the moment I do expanded, there is another thing, this slider has moved down. Okay, this is so I can do this. See, now we are not getting that error anymore. We're not getting that error anymore, and I can scroll also. So all of our error have actually gone. Only now the safe area view is because we don't want the iPhone notch or the Android notch to being shown. Means, see, it is going towards the up of this notch, so we don't want that thing, the notch, to affect our app. We don't want it. So safe area is for that. And for that, what we need to do, I need to come to the column, and then I have to click again here in our friendly bulb, and again that widget is not there, so wrap with the widget we will do. And then this widget name is safe area, and let me, okay, so now I save it. Let me do a reload also. Actually, it is sometimes good to do reload, although in this small app it is not required. See, it created some space, as you might have noticed, so it is not touching this. So it is sort of a margin it have created between our bar, which shows me the time and all those things. It has created something here. Okay, so our app is working fine, and this is the big text. So like this you can do, and you can show it to anyone. So this is also we consider it as an accessibility app, because if someone have some problem with hearing, you can use this app to say something to them. This is a simple but a very good app. So hope you liked it, this simple app with all these features. This is such a feature, this app that you can even put it in a app store. So this is a very, actually very simple but a very useful app. Okay, hope you liked it. I will see you soon with more Flutter videos. Thank you.